Let's see how to create a Fibonacci series. I'll be taking two integer values. F1 is equal to 0 and F2 is equal to 1. And I'll be creating one more variable. F3 is equal to F1, F is equal to F1 plus F2 one more as int count is equal to 0 and here what I will do, I print F1, F2 and F3. Yeah. After this, I'll use while loop. Side this, I'll say count slash that, and as a while is a keyword, for that reason it is showing that in the different colors. Now what I'll do, I'll store in F1 the F2 value, and in the same way in the F I'll store F2, I'll store the value of F, and then I'll say F is equal to F1 plus F2. And print the value of N, and I'll say count plus here I'll say the count let me run this. So now you can see the Fibonacci series is printed. So Fibonacci series is something like it will be adding the previous two values. Initially I have taken the value of F1 is equal to 0, F1 is equal to 1, F2 is equal to 1. So it is taking printing those two values, and after that I am printing the value of F, that is the addition of two values here. Like yeah, F1 is 0, F2 is 1, so addition of those two is 1, so that will be stored in F. So it is printing 0, 1, 1. So here the n is nothing but the maximum value I am telling. So 5 numbers. For a Fibonacci series, the maximum of 5 numbers series it should be printed. For that reason I am hard coding the value as 5. And here count I am taking as a 3 because the initial 3 values I am printing using the initial 3 variables, that is F1, F2 and F. Okay, and further numbers I will be printing by using this loop, by storing the F2 value in F1, F value in F2, and again performing the addition to print the succeeding values. Okay. This is how Fibonacci series is program can be written. So usually whenever we want to understand, whenever we want to write the program, for that reason what we will do, instead of declaring all the variables here, what I'll do initially only, I'll be printing this value. Okay, 1 minute, I'll make changes. So here, like initially I'm declaring the values f1 is equal to 0, I'm printing that f1 value, and next value is f2 is equal to 1, I'm printing that value. After that, addition of these two previous numbers, that is I'm storing this in the f. So f will be stored with the 0 plus 1, that is one value will be printed. Okay, and the next, so count 3 I am taking. Count 3 because initial 3 elements I am printing, the initial 3 numbers. That is 0, 1, 1. So 0, 1 I have already declared here. So addition of those two will be calculated by using the another integer variable, that is f. So 0, 1, 1 will be stored. So 0, 1, 1. So three numbers, initial 3 numbers of this Fibonacci series are printed using the f1, f2, and f. After that, so here I am printing the f. After that, I am using this loop. Okay, in this loop, what I am doing is the count value I am taking as 3 because initial 3 values I have printed. The next value by using the initial 3 values I have printed by using the f1, f2, and ef value. So next I want to print this series for till 5 numbers. For that reason I have mentioned the n value as 5. Okay. So here you can see there are 5 values are printed: 0, 1, 1, 2, 3. If you count all these numbers, it will give a 5. So maximum of 5, 5 count till 5 numbers the series will be printed. So initial values 0, 1, 1 is printed. The next value I need to print. So that is nothing but I am placing the value which was present in F2 in F1, and similarly the value of F in F2, and again I am adding those two values like F1 plus F2 and storing that value in F2. So that is nothing but 1 plus 1, 2. So the value of 2 that will be printed here. After that, the count plus plus I have given. Count plus plus, what it will increase the value of count by 1. So the count of value is 3. So by initially it was 3. Now the count plus plus means it will become 4. 4 is less than 5. Yes. So again it will perform this action. To perform this action, what it was having? So earlier it was having uh, 2 it printed, and after that 4 it will become. Okay, 4 at that time 4 is less than 5. Again 4 is less than 5 means again it will perform this addition. So that is nothing but f1 value become 1 and f2 value become 2. So the addition of those two will become 3. F is equal to 3. So that is printed over here. Again after that the count plus plus. So it will become 5. 5 is less than 5? No. So the count value will become 5, n value is 5. So count 5 is not less than 5. For that reason it will come out. Okay. So this is how the Fibonacci series can be printed using the 5. Thanks guys.